In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bills into Xero, an essential task for maintaining accurate financial records for your business. Let's walk through the steps, keeping things clear and straightforward so you can follow along and complete this process with ease. First, we're going to navigate to the Purchases tab, which you can find at the top bar in your Xero dashboard. Once there, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears. From this menu, you'll want to click on Bills. This section is your go-to area for managing and organizing all your business expenses. Next, to start importing bills, locate the New Bill button positioned at the top right of your screen. Clicking on this will open up several options, and you'll want to choose the one that says Import from CSV. This feature is particularly useful if you have a list of bills saved in a CSV file that you need to bring into your Xero account. Before jumping into the import process, there's a crucial step you should follow to ensure everything goes smoothly: downloading Xero's template. This template is a specially formatted CSV file that helps organize your data in a way that Xero can easily understand and process. Once you've downloaded this template, copy your bill data into it. Be careful to follow the column headings and formats as stipulated by Xero's template. This is key to avoiding any errors when you upload your file. With your data now neatly organized in the template, head back to Xero and upload your newly prepared file into the system. This step is straightforward. Simply click to upload, select your file, and let Xero do the rest. It's designed to automatically read the information and place everything where it needs to be. After uploading, you'll need to confirm everything. Take a moment to review your entries. At this stage, Xero might highlight any discrepancies or issues that need your attention, perhaps mismatched data or fields left blank. Rectifying these issues now is essential to ensure your records are accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your bills into Xero. This process, once you've done it a few times, becomes a valuable part of managing your business finances without hassle. Not only does it save you time, but it also ensures you maintain organized and up-to-date records. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to check out our other videos for more tips on using Xero to streamline your business operations. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Happy bookkeeping!